Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find either the Google or passwords and accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and then let's tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Just choose who's going to use this device. And right here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on I agree. Of course you can tap on particular section and read more. There we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Let's confirm it with a Remove Account, just by tapping. Okay, go back. I have no idea what just happened, but let's go and check. And as you can see, fortunately our device removed the account. So this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.